Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay you guys, for this week's video I'm really excited to film a video because today is the day where I'm going to film exam in the life of Bcom honor aspirant. If you guys are excited for this video, so make sure to drop a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel because it's free, and without any further ado, let's get this video started. Take a look over a day before exam.
With the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
ओके गाइस, तो मैंने अभी स्वेटर पहले बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ रही है और अब मैं बैंकिंग करने जा रहा हूँ, बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस, दैट इज़ आर chapter, and I have exam day after tomorrow, so this is why I'm preparing for that subject. And I have already written all the important question. I have searched all the question on the search engine, that is Google, and after spending my hours over there, I have chosen some 10 questions which is going to be like at least gonna come. They are the most repeated question that has been coming from since like 10 years. So I'm gonna study these questions now, and yeah, this is the plan of today. This is what I'm studying right now, and these are the questions that I have written. These are the most important questions, so I'm gonna study these things, and yeah.
It's a strange feeling that I have. It's a weird being that I we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys, it is the next day today, and I just woken up, and I'm done with my morning rituals. And if I talk about my paper went very well. I knew like some of all questions, and one question which is I messed up. And after coming back from the college, I just laid on my bed because I was very tired, and but still I just cooked something, and I'll post those video clips in the end of this video. And I can say that the paper was very good. I did it quite good in that exam, so I'm hoping that I will score at least 50 to 60 marks out of 100. So this is good because it is an additional subject, and yeah. Note this video is comes to an end. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, so make sure to drop a thumbs up right now, and see you next video guys. Till then, bye bye.